Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a Doterra haul video. I feel like it has been a hot minute since we actually did a haul video for my LRP order. So this is really exciting, and I got some awesome BOGO promos. So I'm not gonna lie to you guys that this is the July BOGO and this is my July order, but it might be in my August video. I cashed in on one of the BOGOs. So if you guys don't know, the BOGOs are buy one, get one free. And I just added it onto my LRP because free oil, I can't go wrong with that. So very exciting. As usual, I feel like I got so many skincare body products that like it's not even oils anymore. It's just like skincare because that's just what happens apparently. So I got, you guys know, like my good old faithful, if you're not using this stuff, there's something wrong. This is the most freaking amazing hand and body lotion, and I use it on my face as well. This stuff is unscented. It is just a plain neutral scent. It is not full of a bunch of parabens or chemicals or colorants or fragrance. Like, it is made from natural products. And it is very moisturizing. It's actually a really, really good moisturizer. I use it on my skin every single day. I love it. And the greatest part is you can add any essential oil to this. So all you have to do is put some in your hand, drop an essential oil in there, rub it in, massage it into your skin. You're going to get the amazing benefits of the essential oil, and you're going to get moisturized at the same time. So I literally cannot live without this stuff, you guys. Like, it has changed my skincare routine so drastically. So I bought the 3-pack. I always do. It's just what happens when you go crazy. Alright, that's my craziness, and maybe my espresso is helping. Okay, next thing that has changed my skincare, which I will be doing a full skincare routine review video for the Doterra skin line. I'm obsessed with this skincare line, like obsessed with it. I can't even tell you how much it's so good. So this is, sorry, my lighting is like crazy intense today. Look at this. So this is the anti-aging moisturizer. I'll like take it out so you guys can see it. But like, you guys, this stuff, I remember when I first got it and I put it on my skin, I like almost died. It smells so good. So it has lavender, jasmine, frankincense, and geranium in it. And it smells like heaven. Like, you literally want to like eat your face after. It smells so good. Like, maybe I'm exaggerating. I don't know if anyone else feels this way like I do, but it smells, it doesn't taste good. It smells really good. It's really moisturizing. So it's meant to be part of the anti-aging skincare line. So it actually reduces fine lines and wrinkles. And I definitely have seen a significant difference in just applying essential oils to my face, around the eyes, using this, and I've been using a bunch of the other products. Honestly, like, you just use a little bit every night. It smells so good. It's so beautiful. It's so good. Like, essential oils are so insanely good for your skin. Like, I can't even tell you guys the amazing benefits of how much they can aid in anti-aging. So this stuff is like my favorite skincare product, probably by like hands down. So that's the anti-aging one. And then I have this habit of like ordering my LRP and being like, hey, what do I actually need? I use so much stuff and so many products that I kind of forget exactly what I don't have and what I do have. So I wasn't sure if I was low on On Guard toothpaste, so apparently I thought I only bought one. Apparently I bought two. Whatever, I'll use them. It's okay. It's all good. So then I got something new that I haven't got before. A Doterra Spa. It's the Citrus Bliss hand lotion. So essentially it's the same as this lotion, but it's got the Citrus Bliss essential oil, which is like orangey and delicious, and it invigorates and excites you and makes you like more amped up and more awake and all of that fun stuff. So I wanted this because I wanted something to go in my purse because it's a handy size for in the purse. Citrus Bliss is one of those oils that's got wild orange in it. It's got vanilla absolute, a couple other essential oils, and it is like very invigorating. Wild orange is super good for assisting your mood, and it smells so good. It smells like oranges, like orange creamsicle basically. Love this stuff. Oh, it's perfect for my purse. Yeah. Okay, so before I dive into BOGOs, so I got Clary Calm. This essential oil is a roller ball. So this is what people like to call the woman's blend. So it's got clary sage in it, which is the woman's oil, which is an amazing essential oil. If you guys don't know my love of clary sage, I literally use it every single day, twice a day. It is amazing for skincare, for assisting with your hormones, for mood swings, that kind of stuff. It's got just these beautiful skin property benefits that are so good for your skin, your hair, just your entire vitality. Clary sage is one of those essential oils that's an aphrodisiac as well, so it can be considered a very, very strong aphrodisiac. I literally am obsessed with this oil. Like, it is probably hands down, besides frankincense, my favorite oil. I use it nonstop, and it's amazing for aiding in like menstrual symptoms and assisting with like pain management, all of those kind of things. So like, it's something that I don't go without. So the Clary Calm is kind of a kick up notch from that. So it contains the clary sage, like I said, and also has bergamot in it and a few other essential oils. Bergamot is an amazing mood uplifter. It's just such a deliciously beautiful oil. Like, bergamot, talk for days about bergamot. So this is an amazing essential oil roller ball to carry around with you the time of the month. You can roll it on your abdomen, rub it on your wrists, on your temple points, on your pulse points, anywhere that like will help give you that fragrance so you smell delicious and smell good, but also it helps to aid with all of those things I talked about with your hormones and your premenopausal times and all of that stuff. And also, if you are going through menopause at all, or you're premenopausal, then you can actually use this essential oil. I've heard it's really great for like assisting with hot flashes, that kind of thing. It's kind of the oil that women carry. It's just like the woman's oil. Like, it's literally the oil like every woman should have, because it is so beautiful and so amazing for assisting with your hormone fluctuations. So that's Clary Calm. I bought this because I was completely out. I didn't even know how I ran out this period month. I was like, oh no, I need this essential oil right now. So that's what I did. And then finally, I got the two BOGOs, Frankincense and Jasmine. So you buy frankincense, you get the jasmine for free. I just bought jasmine probably 2 months ago, and I have a full bottle still, but I was like, I can't say no to free jasmine. I really can't. And the frankincense, I don't have a roller ball of this, so I'm really, really excited to apply this right here below my eyes to help with anti-aging and skincare. But frankincense, you guys, I still need to do a full video on frankincense. Like, it is such an amazing oil. It's called like the oil of like the gods, and it was like the oil of like, it was like considered to be like gold to like a lot of cultures. Like, it's like that potent and that strong of an oil that it was considered like the gold version of like an oil. So it's very, very rich and very like wealthy, I think, is kind of the story behind it. But it's literally, frankincense is like the oil that you can use for everything. So like literally anything you have going on, it is like so amazing for so many things. Like, if you're not sure what oil to put on something or to use for something, frankincense is the way to go. I apply this to the bottom of my feet twice a day. I use the straight version. I don't dilute it. This is a diluted version. So this will have the frankincense oil and coconut oil, so it's more safe to apply anywhere. But I apply the main oil to the bottom of my feet twice a day. It's in all of the supplements that I take. I use it for like minor scrapes and cuts and stuff like that to assist with healing. It's great for relaxation, for meditation, for bringing down emotions and helping assist and aid your emotions. It's just something that is like, you don't live life without frankincense, ever, okay? Ever. And then, of course, you guys, jasmine oil. I have to like reference my essential oil book, because sometimes I just can't remember everything about an essential oil, and that's okay, because I don't need to know everything. So jasmine is such a beautiful scent. I really, really love florally fruity, kind of like old lady smells, I guess you could call them. Like roses and old lady smells, what people say, but like I literally am obsessed with anything that's old lady smelling. Jasmine is such an insanely beautiful oil. So it's very euphoric, it's very beautifying, so it's a very good oil for women. I feel like for me personally, like it's really amazing to hone in on your beauty and your essence and your like womanly side, I guess you could say. Like it's just a beautiful oil that like really accentuates like sensuality and sexuality. It's a very, like I said, a very euphoric essential oil. It's beautiful for your skin, so like skin rejuvenation, skin aid, all of that stuff, anti-aging, beautiful for assisting in uplifting your mood. Overall, just an amazing, beautiful oil that is great for your glow of your skin and rejuvenating your skin and just all of these like beautiful things that make your skin just shine. So yeah, that is Jasmine. So this one is the one that's diluted with coconut oil and the jasmine oil in here, so it is a blend, so it is safe to apply to your skin, but obviously be sure to just test out your pulse points to certain areas so that way you're not going to have any sensitivity, and if you need to add more coconut oil, always add more just to be more cautious so you don't hurt yourself or hurt your skin. So that is my monthly doTERRA haul order, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and make sure to hit that bell notification, you guys, so you don't miss any videos when they come out. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.